The Z99 Bachelor.
Powered by Prairie Mobile, your Saskatown authorized dealer.
So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give you two options. You guys have to shout out the same one at the same time. Are you ready?
Sure.
Cotton candy or candy apple?
Cotton candy.
Okay. Kiss on the neck or nibble on the ear?
Nibble on the ear.
Okay. Sports car or truck?
Truck.
Red wine or white wine?
White.
Shower sex or hot tub sex?
Shower.
Every time you guys ask those questions, I give you the same question. All of them.
Okay, you got to pick one. Shower sex, hot tub sex.
Well, I think
Okay, how about
hot tub sex isn't safe, so you got to go with shower sex.
Okay, there we go. You don't have to give us reasons and explanations. All right. Pepperoni or all dressed?
All dressed.
Both.
Okay. Chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate.
Chalet in the mountains or hut on the beach?
Both.
Chalet.
Okay. Naked bungee jump or naked zip line?
Zip line.
Bungee jump.
All right. So how did we do?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 9.
6 out of 9. Not
That's
bad.
very compatible, you guys. So on paper, it all looks good.
Yeah.
Okay.
How could this go wrong?
How